Hello children, hope you all are fine. Today we will read about verbs. You all have read verbs in your previous classes. This chapter deals with the various forms and the various categories of the verbs. Now before moving into the detail, let us have a quick revision. You can see some sentences here and some words which are underlined like was, am, drives, has, have, was crying, etc. Now these words are called the doing words or verbs because without these words the sentences are incomplete sentence. Now if you can see that verbs are divided into three categories: principal and auxiliary verbs, transitive and intransitive verbs, finite and non-finite verbs. In this video, we will read about principal and auxiliary verbs. Children, as you can see that principal and auxiliary verbs, principal verbs are also called the main verb. For example, if we can write Raj goes to school, here goes is the main verb. Whereas helping verb, you can see that an example, he is reading a book. Is the helping verb which is supporting or helping the word reading. Now without the word is, reading has no existence. So that is why is the helping or the auxiliary verb. Now children, if you can see that auxiliary verbs are of two types. One is primary auxiliaries, another is modal auxiliaries. Now you can see that there are various primary auxiliary verbs like be, do and have, and there are various forms of them. Like in the present tense, am, is, are the forms of be, whereas was and were are the forms of be, but they are in the past tense. Children, you are asked to read this chart thoroughly. Now we can move to the modal auxiliaries. Children, you can see that some words are highlighted like can, must, may, might, will, would, should, must, shall, etc. Now what are modal auxiliaries? Modal auxiliaries are used to express various purposes. For example, it can be probability, it can be determination, it can be ability, obligation, possibility, etc. Now, if you can see the example here, Radha is late. She may be sleeping. Now, it is a possibility. Why? Because we are not sure that she is sleeping. It is a possibility that she may be sleeping. Another example, you can see that he can drive a car. It's an ability. Why? Because it is an ability of a person to drive a car. You can see, children, some more examples like he shall not work here again. Now shall is the modal auxiliaries because it is a threat. Some more examples I am writing here. She used to learn ballet. Now this used to, it indicates a discontinued habit. So these words are called the modal auxiliaries. So children, today till this, in the next video we will discuss transitive and intransitive verbs. Till then, stay safe. Thank you.